Hi everyone, you're welcome back to this channel, The Farmer's Show. Now I'm here to give an update of this soil restoration by this plant called Mucuna. About a month ago, I made a video titled The Benefits of Mucuna in Your Garden. Now I'm back again to give an update of the soil transformation. Now, when I posted that video, many people called me and asked me, what is even Mucuna? We don't know, we have never seen it and we don't know anything about it. So now I decided to make another video and maybe show you what Mucuna has done in the field such that it can be appreciated more. Now, Mucuna falls under a group of crops called the green manure cover crops. Now, these crops are grown with a sole purpose of improving the soil fertility. One of those green manure cover crops include Mucuna, another one can be blab, another one like sun hemp, forage sorghum, and many others. These plants improve soil fertility in very many ways. They may have other purposes. For example, they can be human food, can also be used to make feeds for livestock, and might even have other purposes apart from that. But their major purpose can be increasing the soil fertility. They are called green manure cover crops. Now, Mucuna is one of them. Now, the Mucuna in my field has been growing for about 6 months because I planted it in late Feb of this year, 2024. Now we are in August, we are in late August. And you see that it's no longer growing. We slashed it. I and my team, when I saw that the Mucuna is ripening, the leaves ripened and then started drying. So I and my team, we started picking the pods. We picked the pods and harvested them in the bags, and we took it to the store. And the remaining cover of mulches and vines of Mucuna and the leaves, we slashed it with my team such that it can be easier to dig the holes for the next crop. And my next crop is going to be maize, to reap on the benefits which Mucuna has done here. So the slashing was very important such that it can be easy to dig the holes for maize because the vines were very tough and very many. And the leaves were a lot on the ground. You see what has remained after slashing, the heap of mulches just waiting for me to dig the maize holes and spread the mulches in between the rows of maize. Now let us see the soil transformation which has already taken place so far. Now you see in this field there are no weeds at all, and the ground is very soft. The ground is soft, yet we have not plowed it. So that one is another benefit. Now you also see that we have mulches, free mulches. Now, one of the hardest principles of conservation agriculture or farming that goes way to implement is maintaining a permanent cover. Because in conservation agriculture, you have to keep the surface covered, either with living crops or with mulches. So it is very hard to maintain that cover, especially when you don't have something which is growing there. Now with this Mucuna, we have got free mulches. Now these mulches are going to do a lot of roles here. They are going to play a lot of roles here in this garden. Firstly, these mulches are going to be put in the rows of the maize such that they can control the weeds. Because when these mulches are there, the weeds are not going to be there. They will not grow well. Also, the mulches will maintain moisture in the garden because it is hard for the moisture to evaporate. The mulches will also control soil erosion. So I've got these free mulches. It's like brown gold. because it's going to help the next crop grow very well. Also below the ground, invisible to you, are the roots of mucuna and the root nodules which are decomposing below the ground. A lot of them are just there beneath the surface I'm working on. The roots are decomposing and adding fertility to the soil. Mucuna also obviously fixed a lot of nitrogen in this soil, so it will help the next crop grow even better. So that's what I had for now. And if you have found the information in this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye bye.